Well, let's talk about secondary metabolites. So here's a mnemonic to remember the different types of secondary metabolites. It's Deepika Padukone is late for premiere. So the first Deepika D. So here's drugs. It's drugs. So the first drug is curcumin. It's an anti-inflammatory drug and is obtained from curcuma longa, that is turmeric. And then there's vinblastic or anti-cancer drug that is obtained from Vinca rosea plant and or other Barker, I don't know what's that. And then there's different types of pigments. Secondly, that is Padukone, Deepika D. Then Padukone P. The P stands for pigment or the color type colors that keep or the substances that keep colors. So the two types of it are carotenoids found in plastids, and secondly anthocyanins. These are found in flowers, and sometimes also in the in the flowers in the inside the cells. It's generally found in the not generally it is found in the sap of the vacuoles. It actually provides color to violet color to the flowers. And then comes lectins. These are proteins which binds to carbohydrates, and so its example is concanavalin A, that is obtained from jack beans, and it was used by Landsteiner to differentiate between A and B blood groups in human population, as it binds to those particular sugars on cell membrane. And then comes alkaloids found from plants, and example of these are caffeine, that is used in coffee, and secondly morphine that is obtained from the poppy plant and is used as a painkiller and sometimes as a what to say as a drug, and that's not drug, for addiction. And then comes toxins, which include abrine, which is obtained from the seed of abrus plant, and ricin, which is obtained from the seeds of castor. And then comes essential oils, which have a particular beautiful scent and are volatile in nature, and its example is the lemongrass oil, and it is used as a scent in lamps and candles and is obtained from Sinbopogon grass. And there are polymers including gums, rubbers. Rubber is obtained, rubber, and then comes cellulose, etc. So that's it. That's lecture. This is the lecture 2, and that's it of biomolecules.